my channel, welcome. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You'll be the first one to know about it. So you guys, guess what I got? If you clicked on this video, then you already know what it's about. Today I got a new wig, y'all. So I'm excited. I have been posting my videos on Wednesdays now instead of Fridays. So I'm thinking I should do like a wig Wednesday. I'm sure somebody already has that name, but I thought it would be cool. So today I am coming to you guys with another headband wig. And the company that I am partnering with is YSDIDWIGS. I am super excited because y'all know I love my wigs or whatever. So if you do love the wig that I'm currently wearing now, I have all of the information in the description below. So check her out. Her Instagram is Saved by Tori. You guys will love it. She has wigs under $300. But it's not about that, so I'm gonna jump back into what we were talking about. So yes, I'm excited. The details. So this company reached out to me, so this is a sponsored video, which I'm super excited. Your girl getting sponsored or whatever. But anywho, so they reached out to me, and the wig that I'm going to be showing you guys is a headband deep wave wig. It is an 18-inch. On their site, their wigs go from 10 inches to 20 inches. So for all of my girls who want something long, or if you're a girl who wants something short and you don't really want to rock anything long, they got you. So the wig that I'm going to show you guys today, it was $79.99. And let's say they reached out to me on the 25th. I received my wig on the 27th. Yes. So if you have Amazon, this is the perfect wig for you to get. You will get this wig right away. Like, I have Amazon Prime, so I be on there buying everything. Like, I just recently bought a vacuum cleaner. I don't know, that it's like, Amazon Prime is a setup. But anywho, they do have this wig on Amazon, so feel free to check it out. I will post all of the information in the description below. So I am so excited. I have been wanting a deep wave wig for the longest. Like, I feel like I need something because now it's summer. You want some curls. Deep wave is easy to maintain. You don't have to worry about plugging on a flat iron or curling it. So I am super excited that they sent me this wig and we're gonna try it on today. So this is what the wig came in. This is their bag with their logo on it. Yes, this is human hair, 100%, boom. It's human hair and it was a Brazilian wig. So it's the real deal, y'all. It ain't one of them little synthetic wigs or whatever. And inside the bag, they also gave me, I'm gonna guess that this is a headband and another headband, because of course this is a headband wig. I know y'all like if I say that one more time. And like I said, here is the description of the wig. The Brazilian headband deep wave. Oh, my finger's a little ashy. The Brazilian headband deep wave, and it's 150 density. So I wanted to come and show you guys this wig. I'm also going to put it on. So this is how it looks. Look at it, y'all. Look at them curls. Look at that, girl. That is some deep wave for you right there. That's that real deal. Remember how we used to get hair from the beauty supply store, but then now y'all too bougie to go to the beauty supply store, so now y'all go on Amazon. But anywho, Amazon is the new beauty supply store. So if you've seen my previous video that I did that was a headband video, I recently mentioned that I didn't like that one because they didn't have this lovely elastic band that was already installed. So this is perfect because if you don't have one of these to put on, if you don't feel like it, then you could go ahead and just rock the black one. But of course, we're gonna go ahead and cover that up. And then on the back of the wig, it has the little Velcro snap. So you could tighten it and adjust it to whatever size your head fits. You don't have to worry about if you have a small head, a big head. And then on the inside, it also has the combs. So it's one in the back and one in the front. And also they have two on the side. So this thing finna be secured, okay? Okay. yes, I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on so you guys can see how it looks on, because I don't want to make this video long, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I'm back. One thing off rip that I can say about this wig is that it is secured, okay? I put the comb in the back. I don't know if the comb in the front went in, but this is like super secure. I don't want to say tight because I don't want you to think that, oh, you're gonna have a headache in the morning, but this is secure. It doesn't feel like it's going anywhere, like it's gonna slide off or whatever the case may be, but it's like the real deal. I don't like those wigs where you feel like, oh, it might fall off, so that you gotta go and put some little pins in there, or you gotta go add some extra combs. You don't have to do that. I don't even think the combs are in on the side, because I don't know where they are, but this part alone is the bomb. All right, so this is the natural state. Of course, this is a, thank you. This is the natural state that it comes in without me spraying any product on it, without me combing it. All I'm doing is just moving my fingers through the hair. It feels soft. I don't smell anything when it comes to smelling. You know how a lot of people complain about the smell of the wig. I don't smell anything at all. The curl pattern is beautiful and luscious. So I do have a comb. I'm gonna go ahead and comb it out a little bit so you guys can see what it looks like. I don't think I want to apply any product, but I'm a big hair girl, as you already know. You guys know. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb it out a little bit so we can see what it looks like when it's big, and then I'm also gonna wet it so you guys can see what it looks like when it's wet. So yeah, this hair is very full and luscious, as you guys can see. I'm also gonna put on one of the headbands so you can see what it looks like. But like I said before, you could probably wear this by itself if you don't have any headbands at home. But let me go ahead and add one of these, one of the headbands that they gave me. Hopefully it's easy to put on because I'm not one of the girls that know how to be tying headbands and stuff. All right, let's see here. Oh, how'd this go? Okay, I never had one of these headbands before. So I'm guessing I just put it on. All right, so I put the headband on. I'm not one of those girls who have headbands laying around everywhere, but if you were to add this headband on top of the other headband, it does feel tighter. So this is the headband that it came with. And this is the hair in its original state, combed out. I love that it looks full. It doesn't look like it's thin in any areas. Let me show you guys the back of the wig so you can see how it looks. I don't know if y'all can see it real good. I don't feel like I combed all of this out, but it still feels full. This is something that you can really throw on. It only took me like 2 seconds to put on, especially if you're someone who is not into all of that glue. You don't know how to put your own wig on. You don't know how to melt the lace. You don't know how to, all of that stuff that they be talking about, tinting and cutting the lace and putting on the glue and got to be glue and shoo-ba-loo-ba-loo. It's too much. So if you one of those people who don't know how to do all that, this is the wig for you. All I did was plop this thing on my head, combed it out, and then I'm good to go out the door. Nobody would know that it's a headband wig. You can also leave some of your hair out. I have a really big forehead, so I don't think I'll be doing that. But I tried to do some baby hairs, but that didn't work out for me. So you can also leave some of your hair out if you want to like swoop the edges or whatever the case may be. I'm gonna wet it so you guys can see what it looks like wet, and I'll be right back. So stay tuned. So this is how it looks wet. Look at that, girl. Look like I got a little mix. I'm a little mixed little chick or whatever. See, if my forehead wasn't so big, I'll wear the edges so y'all can see it. But I love the curl pattern when it's wet. This is how it looks when it's dry. It doesn't look like much of a difference, but it's nice. I'm putting my fingers through the hair, and this is how much hair has come out so far. It's not a lot, it's just like a few little strands of hair. So it doesn't have a lot of shedding right now, which is good, because sometimes you be getting some of these hairstyles and then once you start coming through, all the hair be on the floor and you be like, oh my God, and then your boyfriend get mad, want to kick you out of the apartment. But yeah, I see minimum shedding and I didn't see a lot of hair in the brush. So yeah. So another thing that I wanted to do that I always see girls trying is this wig can be straightened. So if you guys see, you could probably wear this wig straight with no problems. And then the real test is to see if the curl pattern goes back. Alright, so I am going to put this hair to the test. I did flat iron it, as you guys can see. And now I'm going to spray it to see if it goes back to the original curl pattern. I should have tested this out in a little section before I demonstrated it on y'all. So I wet it up. And voila. Wait, maybe I should, now this side, don't mess this side. But anywho, so as you can see, it does go back to its original curl pattern if you do flat iron the hair. But like I said before, all of the information will be in the description below. I hope you guys love this wig. Drop a comment below and tell me what you guys think. Would you rock this look? How would you rate this wig? I think it was perfect. I'm gonna wear this to work tomorrow because I'm tired of wearing my same old wig every day. I could just throw this on real quick, even if you're running late. And that's what I love about this, is that if you're running late, you don't have time to style it. You don't know how to style it. You don't know how to curl, flat iron. Believe it or not, I'm sure there's people out there who don't know how to flat iron or curl your hair. So this would be the perfect go-to. You could just grab it and go. You could throw it on your head, very simple and easy. You can switch out the headbands if you want to do like a different look. You could leave out your little edges or do it in a ponytail, but over here, she not suitable for that because she is too big. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I catered to your every need. Next Wednesday, I will have another wig. I might post it before Wednesday because I am excited. Your girl got wigs all over the place. I just ordered 2 more from Amazon. If you are a hair company, please hit me up. My information is in the description below, my email. So I am very open to collaborating with more companies. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can see any videos I post. You'll be the first one to know about it. You guys have a good night. Peace.